Leo, sometimes the loudest voice isn't the wisest one.
I don't need help.
I know, sweetie, but I'm always here.
He says that every time.
Today, we build together.
I'll start!
Measure first, Leo.
It'll be fine. Uh-oh. That was planned.
Strength isn't doing it alone.
I don't want to look weak. It's okay to feel that way, Leo. Listening is quiet strength.
Even superheroes have teams.
Let's try again, together.
Okay, show me.
All right, watch this. See how it lines up here? Now you try.
Measure twice.
Cut once.
It fits perfectly.
Listening changes everything.
It works better when I listen.
That's a very smart observation, Leo. Now we shape the roof.
Repeat the steps.
First, I look at the pictures. Measure twice, cut once.
Can I paint it?
After we choose together.
You pick, Lily.
Sky blue.
Let's paint the roof.
I'll hold it steady.
Storm's coming.
Will it ruin it?
Let's move it carefully.
I'll carry it. I'm fine. Oh no. I should have listened.
Then let's fix it.
I rushed again.
It's okay to make mistakes.
What matters is what you do next.
We can fix it together. Will you help me try again?
Of course, sweetie.
We'll help you, Leo.
That's what teams do.
Let's align the crack.
Slower this time.
That's it, nice and steady.
You're doing great, sweetie.
I'll repaint it.
Stronger than before.
Let's hang it outside.
I'll steady the ladder.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Done.
Look!
It likes it.
Listening built more than wood.
It built trust.
Next time I'll listen first.
The quietest lessons grow the strongest.
It's staying.
We really did it.
That's teamwork.
I almost ruined it.
But you chose differently.
Listening made it better.
And stronger.
Strong things aren't loud.
They're steady.
I understand now.
Team rule forever?
Forever.
Let's head inside.
Growth is quiet. It takes patience.
And trust.
Thank you
We love you, buddy.
so much.
That's what families do.
Good night, Birdie.
The quietest lessons grow the strongest hearts.